Hey guys, so this is my BMW G310Gs. As you can see, I have added the tank guard and the crash guard. And just recently I have installed risers. I got this from Aliexpress. You can get these for about $20 to $25. And I just want to let you guys know how to install this because it seemed a little complicated because firstly what you have to do is you have to align these perfectly so you can see it's properly in the socket, and then you make sure that the risers are facing inward this side, and same towards here as well. It has to be facing inside, and then you align the other side as well, the same as here. Perfect alignment. And then after that you put your handlebars accordingly, how much ever size you would like it, and then you put this on top. They even provide you with screws, 2 long screws for it. And I have also installed the brake extension. So it's pretty simple. You already have this, so you put this inside that hole, and then from the other side you just screw it tight. So that's one of the customization that I have done. And also this side you can see I've added the Gearshift extension and enlargement. This is pretty simple as well. I got it from Aliexpress. You get this with these small screws. You just tighten it up, put it right inside, and then with this screw you tighten it up so it gets firm and solid. So this is one of the installation, and yeah, that's it. And I'm trying to get Remus exhaust pipe. I've already ordered it, so when it comes I will do another video to show you the sound and how the installation works. So yeah, see, here it is. This is the bike from the back side. It looks like this. And also the seats and the bike itself is really huge. I'm about 5'11", and I still have to tiptoe in this bike, so you can just imagine. I also added this. You see the screen protector? Yeah, I installed that too. You see properly here. You can get that in Aliexpress as well. Screen protector. And I just need a windscreen which is a little taller. So yeah, that's the bike. Here you go. So guys, subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.